It is ungodly early. I'm not a morning person. I never was, never claimed to be, probably never will be. But if all goes well, in just a few seconds you'll see why. I've been driving for over an hour now. It's 6 a.m. and it's foggy as hell. And originally I was planning to vlog throughout our whole family journey and, maybe give you a little insight into what it would be like to go on a little journey with me and all that stuff, do some street photography. But Venice, which is where we started in Italy, was packed, particularly because of Easter. That's one. And the second thing is, it was bad weather. It was windy, rainy, gray, not really pleasing content. But this morning, the sun is supposed to come out and play, and I can't wait to see it, because I'm going somewhere special. So if all goes well, this is either going to be a really good episode, or it's going to be bust, but it's fine. I'm willing to risk it. And I guess as I'm getting older and I'm realizing my mortality, I'm trying to seize every moment, which is good. Yeah. So let's hope that this one is gonna be worth the travel, because it's so foggy I can't even put it into words. But yeah, I'm hoping for some rolling clouds and ascending fog and the usual magic. And maybe I'll put another location into this video if all goes well. Maybe you'll get a twofer. All right, stay with me. It's been rough. So I spent the best of 2 hours here flying the drone, taking pictures with the cameras, and I'm pretty sure this footage will not do it justice, but yeah, I've been notified that I've got mostly an American audience so far, so just want to say hello, people who can't use the metric system. Anyway, thanks for checking this video out. If you're new, stay around, subscribe. It's gonna be great. And yeah, thank you so much for being here with me on this journey. And yeah, let's just focus on this, because Tuscany is just incredible. I have somehow, against every molecule in my body, successfully woken up for the second day in a row early enough to leave at 5 a.m. So we're 20 minutes out from this location. We're in Slovenia, which is possibly like my favorite country for photography. I think it's incredible. And I'm hoping for similar conditions, ascending fog, rolling clouds. And I've been to this location once before. I really wanted to go to another one, a very famous one, St. Thomas Church. But I've read that there's been some incidents with the locals, with a lot of the photographers not being very nice. So there's a chance there that it could be some, maybe some police presence, or one of the locals maybe not liking, photographers being there. So nope, we're going to this other one, which I know, and the locals are very nice. So hopefully no recent incidents that I would have been aware of. But yeah, I'm really hoping for similar conditions as yesterday in Tuscany, and to show you some nice photos and videos maybe. That would be awesome. Alright, now we're stuck behind this truck. I mean, I've calculated well in advance of sunrise, so should be okay. No need to be aggressive. But yeah, there are risks you take and there are risks you don't. If there's been recent incidents there, it's really not worth traveling an hour and a half, and then getting there and then realizing they've actually blocked one of the roads, from what I've read. And they turned it into a private road for residents only. So it makes quite a significant hike to get to that location. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to this one because it is amazing anyway. And I really love it. And it's a little bit quieter than the rest of the churches on a hill. So yeah, that's the thing. Churches on a hill. It's one of the things I didn't think I would be talking about in my 30s, if you told me when I was a teenager. So there's a lesson right there. And either way, I'll just talk to you after it. I'm not going to be filming myself while I'm doing it. So awesome. All right, good morning. Let's get it. Woo. So, unfortunately, the thick clouds never lifted or dispersed behind the subject, so the photos aren't exactly as good as I got last fall. But you know what? This place is magical, and I got to spend some time here up at the church, which I didn't get to do last time, as well as snow-covered mountains, which I haven't seen in a long time. So yeah, you know what? It's not bad, and every opportunity I get, I'm super grateful for. So yeah, um, Slovenia is the only country with the word love in it, which is sort of very descriptive of what I feel when I think about it. So yeah, every opportunity I get, I will be out here. So thanks for sticking around, and I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao.